how to create an infographic with custom picture fill in Excel. We can build this infographic from a 5 months Samsung sales data. To do this, open a new sheet first, here sheet 2, and let's create first a random Samsung sales data for the last 5 months. Put months here, months, and from January to May, and put sales here, make it in millions of sales. To populate the random data, we can use the rand between function. To do this, first select the range of sales from B2 to B6 and enter the function, the formula, and select rand between, and let's make the minimum sale value is 200 and the maximum to be 400, and press Ctrl Enter. So we get the sample data. Let's format a little bit, and now let's create a graph based on this data. Go to insert, you can choose a stack or column bar, resize it. To insert the custom picture, first go to right click in the format data series, and there are some options here, and we can choose fill picture and texture fill, and notice the changes as soon as you select. Go to insert picture, you can go to online or from your computer, type Samsung mobile and search it. Let's select which one is better. Okay, you can select anything you want. Let's make this one. So it looks good. Insert it. First it looks weird, but we can make it better. Change stack and scale, and we can change the units also. Let's make it 20. It's not good. Let's make it 50. Now it's better. Yeah, we can experiment with other variations also. We can do other experiment on format, data series, and we can make also the width of the columns vary. Let's make this a gap 100. Now it's made much better. You can observe the changes on the graph. So you can try other options also, and you can format it in a little bit and try other formatting techniques. It's not better. So on the format we can change the color, the background color. I think maybe this one is better. Yeah, that's good.